Good morning, beautiful people. It is a beautiful Saturday morning here in Romania. We gonna do a short day trip around 280k up the mountains towards Alba County from Cluj and Alba. We'll pass Lake Tarnita, which is located Cluj and Alba, Romania, between Rușca, Mărișel and Giuleu, west of Cluj and Alba. This lake it's covering about 530 acres with a length of about 9k, so that's 5.6 miles, and the maximum depth it's about 70 meters, so that's about 230 feet. It is a very popular tourist destination. The water coming into this reservoir comes from so much we call river, and the dam is about 97 meters height, about 318 feet tall. It was completed in 1974. And here up the hill we are visiting this monastery, this absolutely beautiful monastery, and from behind the monastery you will see actually the lake and landscape, the view. It's absolutely incredible. I hope you are gonna enjoy this view. That was absolutely amazing. I hope you enjoy the view from the top and the lake and mountains and so on. Here is part of the lake on my right hand side, and the road here it's very nice and clean, and the twisties here are amazing. Today we are riding on Harley Davidson Fatboy 2023 model 1.9 cc. Usually we use the GS 1250 for the long rides, but my pillion, my beautiful wife, she absolutely loves this Harley Davidson. So on this nice weather, it's actually perfect to ride this bike. So we're going up the hill, and can't wait to get to a little place there where they have some nice snacks, which I like. I like to eat that traditional langoshe, especially with jam, which these people here, they make it from wild fruits from the forest, so the taste is amazing, and I hope you enjoy this the view here and the landscape, and we'll try to show you more. Hey, what's going on? It's beautiful. What's up? What's going on, dude? What's going on? Oh my goodness. Hey, what's up? What's up? Scruffy. You're so small. You're too small. What's up? Holy. Straight from the forest. All these wild fruits. That tasty langoshe was worth the ride all the way up here. So now we are headed to another spot on top of the mountains to see the lake. We are going back to the city of Cluj and Alba, descending on those nice beautiful mountains and enjoying the twisties and the landscape, obviously, and hopefully you like the view so far, and we really enjoy Romania. Romania is an absolutely beautiful country, and so many places you can go and visit and kind of like it's never enough, and it's always something new. I say I want to do this trip, I want to do that trip. It's always, we always find a new place. So we really enjoy it so far. I hope you did too, and we will end this trip here, and I'll see you hopefully in the next week or so to another beautiful place. Okay, stay safe, be happy, enjoy life.